Welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And as you see in the title, simple video, but I haven't done one of these how-to in a minute, so I'm gonna show y'all how to change the batteries out this key fob. If you got this type of key fob where you have a physical key itself, then most likely this can help you. So you don't need no tools. As you can see, I'm in my car, I'm on my lunch break, and I'm gonna do this, and this will take probably like less than a minute, but here we go. So boom, you know, you got the latch right there, take it, see the key. This is basically the tool that you're gonna use. So you're gonna put it, and let me see, hope y'all can see this, but right here I'm gonna push my keys. Let me put it up closer for y'all so you can see it. I'm looking at my phone while I'm doing this so I can make sure y'all see it. Yeah, but I'm gonna put the key right in the middle here. Just put it right in the middle and twist it. Come on. Twist it. And just like this, it's open. Yep. Battery is right here, and the battery that y'all need is CR2032. There you go. All you do, pop this out, replace it, and you clamp back your keys. Make sure I don't break anything. There you go. Put it back in, and you good. That's it. Simple. How many seconds was that, or a minute? Probably a minute, but it's simple. Easy. So don't take these to the dealership because the battery's low. You know the battery's low unless something else is going on, like a button or whatever is messed up. But if you know the battery's low, don't take it to the dealership because they gonna probably charge you about 30 bucks or even more depending on where you at to change his battery. They will do that. Y'all don't need that. I hope this video helps. Simple video. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all like the video. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Share the video. Someone may need to know how to do this. And we out.